Hello guys, welcome to Santa Berenia's Hair Clinic Hair Transformation for today. So yung hair status ni client is naturally kinky and dry. So papagawa niya na yon is root retouch with Caravan treatment. So yung kupalay natin is yung roots lang, which is yung regrowth ni client. So na-proceed na kami sa root tint. 1:1 pa rin yung mixture natin para mas maganda yung curve, yung gray coverage ng colorant sa buhok ni client. So, section by section tayo. So, most definitely, dun tayo sa mas sa ibabaw na part ng hair ni client. Sa part 1 or part A ng sectioning. So, katapos noon, i-rinse natin siya. Make sure na clear yung hair ni client before tayo mag-proceed sa next procedure. So, pinatuyo ko lang siya dito. 80% dry. Kasi hindi pwedeng tuyong-tuyo rin yung hair. So, after nun, inatayan ko na siya nung Caravan treatment. So, yung Caravan treatment natin, guys, is combination of keratin and protein. So, lahat siya organic products, so safe siya sa hair. So, may 80% straightening effect siya. At the same time, mas more on treatment siya. So, after 45 minutes, ayan, pinapatayo na natin siya ng, in a cold setting, ng blow dry. Kasi hindi siya pwedeng mag-evaporate. Hindi pwedeng mainit, hindi pwedeng warm, kasi mag-evaporate yung products sa hair. So, tatsagaan natin siya na matuyo. Up until ganito na siya, 80% dry na siya. Then, section na natin siya ng paper thin for hair ironing. So, make sure na i-adjust natin yung temperature ng iron para hindi mag-react sa hair ni client. Since yung hair nga ni client is naturally kinky and dry. So, as you can see guys, medyo maganda na yung bagsak and yung texture ng hair. Kumikintab na rin siya habang pinaplansya. So, tsatsagain na natin siya up until ganito na siya. So, as you can see, ibang-iba na yung outcome sa buhok ni client. Gumanda na siya, medyo bumagsak na rin siya. At the same time, medyo kumintab at mas naging healthy na tingnan. Eto na siya, guys. So, in-advise lang si client na at least 3 days na wag i-wash yung hair para mag-rejuvenate yung hair. And pag after 3 days, ma-lock in siya using conditioner. So, in-advise lang siya to use conditioner at yung pag-wash ng hair is every other day.